Hello, today is June 30th, the last day of June. I'm going to talk about 3 stocks to buy that's under $25. They're great investments. The first one is pltr Technologies, which is worth exactly $25. As of Friday and after hours, it went up to $25.38. But this stock was just too good to talk about. It was up 6% in the last week alone. pltr Technologies is up over 20% in the past month and just continues to surge in price. pltr Technologies was up to around $28 at one point. And if you're just day trading stocks, this is an excellent company to day trade. Had over 38 million shares traded on Friday. You really can't go wrong. Just looking at its PE of 199.76, there's a ton of room to grow. It's forward PE 75.54, so this company's it's going to more than double in the second half of the year. So it's excellent investment and a fairly easy company to trade. And when you're day trading stocks, one of the most important things is to always have companies that are very popular and have a lot of volatility. The second company on my watch list, JMIA, ticker symbol JMIA. It's up 116% in the past year, 35% in the last 3 months, up over 13% in the past month. So it's just continued to have an amazing year. Just looking at its chart, it's very impressive for a penny stock. And I define penny stocks as stocks that are worth less than $10. And JMIA had 4.42 million shares traded Friday. So one of the main reasons you trade JMIA is just because it's the volatility with JMIA is crazy. It can go as high as $9. As always, I would take profits with JMIA just because this stock's potential to go up and down 20% is just absolutely crazy. Then the third stock on my watch list, LYFT, ticker symbol LYFT. It's up 43% in the past year. And it's seen a little bit of dip in price in the last couple months. Last week it was up 5%, so it looks like LYFT's back. Probably a great time to pick up some shares with LYFT. It has volatility. Its range was between 1341 and 1421, with over 18 million shares traded on Friday. And its forward P is 23.47, which is excellent. So just looking at LYFT's future, it could go as high as $20. We'll just have to wait and see. Basically, I just want to do a quick video of cheaper stocks to invest in. Normally I just look at growth companies, but this is for people who just mainly trade stocks. And also just looking at the market as a whole. Friday we got some great news about inflation. It stayed roughly the same, so the market's going to continue to stay green. We may see a slight pullback in the next month, but overall the next 6 months are going to be great. Plenty of time to make a great investment in any of these companies or any other of the growth stocks I talk about week in and week out. I have a TikTok live at 8 a.m. Eastern. It's free, so if you get a chance, check it out. Also, I'm on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So you can get a free stock from Webull if you click on my referral link. It's totally free. It's a win-win for me and you. Last time I got ADT, it was like $14 a share. You really can't beat a free stock when you open an account with Webull. It's probably the best brokerage that you can have. It's the only one that I have. It's the only brokerage that's open between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m. Eastern. So it gives you a very big edge over the competition. If you have Charles Schwab or some of the other companies, they don't open until 7 a.m. So you're stuck there waiting while stocks like Nvidia and Eli Lilly and a lot of these other larger companies, are already up 0.5%, 1% or even more. So you've missed a great opportunity to make a lot of profits if you trade stocks. Plus, even worse, if you get some really negative news and everything's down that morning and you can't sell to 7 and everybody else is selling at 4 a.m., I'd imagine that's not too good of a feeling. Really, there's no reason not to have a Webull brokerage account if you have investments. Also, other news over the past week, we made 13 grand this past week alone. Mainly day trading ELF, ticker symbol ELF. It went from around $205 a share to its high was around $218. Just looking at its chart, by doing technical analysis, you could tell it was getting ready to just surge in price. So it was perfect timing, and I just want to say congratulations to everyone else who also follows my accounts and was able to get in on the investments with me and take profits. I put all my trade signals on Twitter and also on TikTok. Also, we day traded Nvidia, made a couple $100, and Eli Lilly. So it was a great week. I think I was up around 7% in my total brokerage account. So it wasn't too bad. I average around 5% every week, so slightly better than expected. Also, I have a pre-market top gainers watch list on TikTok and Twitter, as well as Instagram. Just subscribe to my account, and every morning, I'll post it, before 7 a.m. so you'll get an edge on the competition and everyone else. You can already see which stocks are making all the headlines, and all it takes is one catalyst to cause a stock to go up over 100%. So you can double your money in as little as 30 minutes. It's a must-have thing if you're into stocks. You have to stay on top of the top gainers list and keep track of what's going on with your companies as well. I have 2 or 3 watch lists that I keep track of, as well as the top gainers. And just by using technical analysis, which I teach, if you check me out at 8 a.m., I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Also, I'm trying to get this account monetized, so please hit the like and follow button. Currently doing the Webullchallenge. We're up we're up 321% in the past year, and it looks like this is going to be an amazing year. If you haven't invested in stocks, I would strongly suggest that you invest today. Can't go wrong. It's stocks is the best investments you can make. There's more money to be made there than in real estate or anything else that choose to invest in. It has, you know, the best companies in the world that you can buy into. You know, invest in your future. I also have a finance business. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. I'll be more than happy to talk to you one-on-one. Hope everyone has a very profitable week. I'll make another video. If you have any certain topics you'd like me to talk about, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to make a video about it. Have a great weekend.